Okay, good morning students. Here I am going to make another exercise taking into account negative and positive numbers. Okay, remember that we are talking about addition. Okay, step number 1. Here, as we have all the negative numbers in the denominator, we're not going to make changes or something like that. We're going to start finding the least common multiple between 5, 10, and 20. Okay, so here we have the second of 20, 10. The second of 10 is 5, and we're going to down the number 5. Okay, the second of 10 is 5. We're going to down the number 5, and we are going to down the number 5. The fifth or 5 is 1, so we are going to multiply 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 5, 20. It means that the least common multiple is 20. Okay? After that, we're going to look for a number that multiplied by 5 gave us an answer 20. 5 times 4, 20. Then times 2, 20. And 20 times 1, 20. So now we're going to multiply this. Times 4 times 2 times 1. Okay, now we're going to start with the process. Here we're going to write the same denominator because it is our least common multiple. 2 times 4, 8. So positive 8 plus, open brackets, 3 times 2, 6, but this is negative, so negative 6 plus 4 times 1, 4, negative 4. Now, what happened here? We have negative numbers and positive numbers, so we're going to make groups. We're going to add the negative numbers, so we have negative 10 because 6 plus 4 is 10, and we have positive 8. Now we don't have more positive numbers, so it means that we are not going to make an addition. So now, as we have positive numbers and negative numbers, we're going to make a subtraction. 10 minus 8 is 2, but as we can see in here, the greater number is 10, so the answer is going to be negative 2. And what happened here? We can simplify the answer, so we're going to find the second of 2. It's negative 1 and 10. So it means that here we're going to see the first answer, and here we're going to see the final answer when we simplify the numbers. Thank you.